Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get gradient cube in Geometry Dash. So first step is open the icon kit. So launch the Geometry Dash and navigate to your icon kit from the main menu. So this is where all your unlocked icons are displayed and where you can customize your player appearance. Next is go to the treasure room. So from the main menu, just tap on the lock icon or navigate to the treasure room. So this secret area contains special chests that can only be opened with secret codes. Next is tap on the chest to open the code and code entry screen and then enter the secret code to unlock the gradient cube. So the keyboard will appear for you to type the code carefully. Next is claim your reward. So after entering the correct code, you will see a celebration animation as the gradient rainbow cube icon is unlocked. So this special icon features a beautiful multicolor gradient effect. Next is go back to your icon kit and find the newly unlocked gradient cube. So select on it to equip it as your active cube icon. Now you can show off your awesome rainbow cube in your gameplay. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!